Guys, Iconic Moto here. Today we're going to be doing kind of a comparison and an introduction to the actual video and video quality of this camera. My Sony CyberShot. I don't know the exact model, but it should be interesting. So before we get started today, I did ask advice from a fellow YouTuber. Some of you guys might know him, Cowie Brock. But he told me not to really do these and to do on the bike stuff more, but it's currently snowing outside and all the roads are covered in ice. I obviously can't ride in those conditions, so this is what I'm going to have to do for now. Hope you guys don't mind, but yeah, so today 3 things are going on. I'm first going to be testing myself because I am, for the very first time ever in my life, mind you, going to be mocking up audio with video. It's currently recording on my PC right here. And I'm putting this camera and this camera in the same video. So I have 2 cameras and different audio than the cameras. So this should be interesting. I don't know, I hope it's not too bad, but it is my first time ever. Let's get started. So this camera, my camcorder that I use primarily, is a 12 megapixel 1080p video and camera shooting camera. It's pretty nice, very versatile, good audio. But like I said, I'm not using the audio from these cameras, probably. Now, this camera is my Sony CyberShot 10 megapixel 720p video. And this is going to be the one I'm using on most of my vlogs on the bike. Or all of them. Until I get this camera fixed, I might put it on the tank, possibly, but I don't know, it's a $300 camera. I'd kind of like to keep it if anything did happen. But yeah. Anyways, for this test, like I said, this one right here, this shot, is my 12 megapixel 1080p video camera. This one, 10 megapixel 720p. Now, for my mic on my bike, I am going to either use my phone or a microphone recorder, an actual one, and put a microphone in my helmet and then match up the audio to this camera and hope that it goes well. So I don't know how that's going to work. But I guess that's really it for today's video. Probably going to be a little bit shorter, might be longer, but yeah, so that's a comparison between this camera and this camera. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope my audio wasn't too bad, and I hope that this camera was actually recording because it doesn't have a front screen. So, guess I'll see you guys later. Peace.